way that we impact communities and families is different from your typical educator. I think the way we tap into students' interest and develop them and basically prep them for life, not necessarily just for an academic setting, is unique. I'm definitely excited to hear all the different practices, the different ideas, and the different innovations that everybody has out in California. I thought it's important for me to be in this realm and just speak to like-minded people and see how everybody is handling workforce issues like I am.
Something that I really value in my work is the ability to see the growth happen in real time. When you have a young person in your program, they go through your program, and then they come back as a staff person. That's something that's so unique and special to our field. I really did love our program, and I just want to come back and contribute in the same way that I feel like I was brought up. The feeling of community and the feeling of seeing your work in real time and showing that it really works is something that's so amazing to me.